Section 1. Forward 3 walk. Right, left, right, left forward key. 3 back walk. Left, right, left side point. Facing 12 o'clock. Section count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Right foot cross left side point. Left foot cross left side point. Right foot back left side point. Left foot back right side point. Facing 12 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Jazz box quarter turn. Right foot cross right quarter left back. Side forward. Charleston step. Right foot forward left foot hitch. Back right foot back touch. Facing 3 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Charleston step. Right foot forward left foot hitch. Back back touch. V step. Right foot out left foot out. Back together. Facing 3 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.